This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Toyota RAV4. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a passenger side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, side impact airbags, air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 39,000 miles. Toyota's certification includes a 160-point inspection and an extensive reconditioning process, plus a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive warranty and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.